Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Today we are working on one of those colors that takes something special to make it stand out from the rest. I've showed you LVR 403, that is the polishing glaze for darker colors. This is LVR 404 Helios. This is said to be inspired by yours truly for lighter colors. And they even bumped up the rich formula to make it even glossier and easier to work with. So let me show you. Work that viscous rich formula into the surface, laying down the foundation of polymers and acrylic while also doing some correction. The product is easy to work with. You can work it for a long period of time. I'll work an area the size of half the size of the hood on this Subaru, and then I'll wipe off immediately before moving on. Work it into the surface of the clear as thick or as thin as you feel is needed. Either way, it removes just as easily. As I've showed with dedicated videos on the LVR 403, it leaves the surface very slick, protected, and extremely glossy, already turning this bright white and reflective and very impressive so far. So we can get around the car rather quickly, and I do have help today, so that's going to speed up the process. I'm very thankful of that. Let's get going. Piece of cake, not much effort. We have made a trip around the car rather quickly, and these are the results. We'll take a look inside the shop. I'll back it out. It's a nice day finally here, so we can pull it out into my worst critic. Absolutely gorgeous. I have the customer on hand. He seems happy enough.
So what do you think? You drove a long way to get it spruced up a little bit. It's nice and bright.
I think it looks good. It's ready to sell.
Very good.
Yeah,
very good.
Come off lease.
All right.
Thank you, Brian.
You got
Appreciate it.
With a happy customer out and on his way, we can get this on a test panel and get some numbers behind what we're seeing. We can also beat it up a little bit, see what this can withstand. The LVR 403 did fine on its own, so this being the LVR 404 upgraded formula, let's see what it can take. The test panel we're working on today is truly troubled, so we can show the turnaround and correction this formula can make, as well as laying down protection. And we're going to start off with gloss units in the very low 70s. Okay, so for this hazed over, scratched, and swirled panel, I'm going to use the Eurofiber 50/50 pad, team it up with the Helios on the Max Shine polisher. Let's get to work. As you can see there, just a crisscross pattern, which is equal to 2 passes. You can go a lot further if you need to work it a little bit more. The formula can take that. Low dusting, long cycle time, but just for the sake of the length of the video, I'll just make 2 passes and we'll see what type of turnaround we can get. Obviously won't be perfect. This panel is trash to begin with, but a huge turnaround that you can see already as we're removing the tape. Just looking at it, looks fantastic. Let's get some numbers behind what we're looking at. We started, again, in the low 70s for gloss units, and a huge jump. And this is before we even lay down any type of protection and before we've given the product proper time to cure. So very, very impressive. Speaking of cure time, let's give this product a few days to cure. Then we'll come back, we'll beat it up a little bit, see what it can take. With 2 days to cure, let's take this thing outside. Now, we can definitely see the area that is not only corrected but protected, a huge difference. Let's take a look at its water repelling properties first, and then we'll move on to the 10 wash test. Absolutely breezed through the 10 wash test. As you can see here, I'm working the sponge and it's fighting the wash solution. But it's very cold out here today. The camera is fogging up. I'm using heated water, so I do apologize for that, but I can't control it, so let's continue on. I'm going to dry the panel, and we're going to break out our traffic film, and we're going to continue on with the traffic film test. We'll see how many rounds it can succeed and put up with this. And those of you that have just joined the channel, welcome to the family. The traffic film test here is a bottle full of everything that could leak out of a car, plus a little bit more onto the roadways. And then when it rains and splashes back up onto your car, that's what the protection you lay down is there to fight off. That plus whatever Mother Nature can dish up. Plus, we have our alkaline cleaner here that will clean the slate between rounds. So with this and also the wash, the 10 wash test, the product, the protection comes in contact with everything up and down the pH scale, and it is a true test and the closest I personally can get to real-world testing. That said, there is nothing compared to what Mother Nature can throw at your car, including UVA, UVB. But this is as close as I can get, and this actually has taught me a lot after doing a lot of testing. After the second round, we can notice that the protection, the water on top is actually starting to sheet, and it's creeping along. It's not a fast sheeting process. So even though the protection is not gone completely, the water repelling properties and whatever fights off chemicals is weakening quite a bit. And it isn't till we're through the third round until it fails completely. But that's very impressive. If you've been following the channel, you'll know that that has gone pretty far. So here we have a product that just about has everything you're looking for. It gives you the gloss. It's ease of use. It gives you a bit of protection. It gives you some correction. So there's something to look into. Again, don't hoard products. If you have something that works for you, keep going. Use it up. But if you're looking for something new, here you go, guys.